So as you can see, we are here in my blockchain wallet, which has zero balance. It's empty new blockchain wallet. Okay, and it's not identity verified, it's only email verified. Okay, so yeah, this is the channel. Let's find transaction first. Bitcoin live transaction, and show official website of blockchain explorer. Let's find a transaction which is under 0.07 BTC. Okay, yeah, it's higher, I guess. Yeah, no, it's high. It's 0.09, but we can't do that. Okay, we can do any under 0.07, but it was higher. So let's find once again. Yeah, I guess where we clicked, yeah, this is 0.07 0.01 BTC. Okay, it's less than 0.07 BTC, so we can confirm this into our wallet. We can copy hash ID from here, from 18E to E. Okay, or we can copy from here 18E to E from simple here, copy to clipboard. Okay, but yeah, this is the our wallet. Okay, right click and then go to inspect. Super simple and super easy. Okay, then click to console. There's some warning, you need to read that. Okay, and this browser features is intended for developers. If someone told you to copy paste something here, it is a scam and it will give them access to your money. So make sure you read this with carefully. I suggest you to make a new blockchain wallet with a zero balance. Okay, and verify with email only. Okay, so yeah, after you read this and confirm this, then you can clear everything from here. Yeah, this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about anything. Okay, clear everything from here and then paste your script. Right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script. Okay, minimize it and then paste it over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our hash ID. We can copy from here and confirm transaction. Okay, then we get paste over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I'm gonna send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK and close everything from here and just refresh the balance to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. It's Monday, 16 February 2026. Let me scroll it up and down because of the watermark that's showing on the screen. The number watermark I put on the screen. Okay, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Let's see, maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. But it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. It will confirm any time in 1 hour. Yeah, it's not confirmed right now, but it will confirm very soon. Okay, and don't be worried about this rate, because the BTC rate is so high, as you know, it's fluctuates sometimes. It will change on every refresh. Okay, so don't be worried about anything. So yeah, this is the channel which has 10k subs. I own only this channel. Another all channels are fake. They took my videos, edit them and upload their channel to scam innocent people. Last year so many videos copied from my site, so make sure you check this channel. Okay, that's why I put my number on the screen, so nobody can edit my videos to upload their channel to scam innocent people. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one.